Baking soda can be used to benefit rice plants in a few ways, primarily by adjusting soil pH and acting as a fungicide. It can be used to neutralize acidic soil, making it more suitable for rice growth, and to prevent or control fungal diseases like powdery mildew. However, excessive use can be harmful, so it's important to use it in moderation and potentially test on a small area first. Here's how to use baking soda for rice plants. But before that, welcome to my channel. One. Soil pH adjustment. Understanding pH. Rice plants prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil around pH 6.0 to 7.0. If your soil is too acidic, lower pH baking soda can help raise the pH. Application. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water, according to Kellogg Garden Products. Application method. Water the rice plants at the base with the solution, ensuring even coverage. Frequency. Apply every 2 to 4 weeks or as needed based on soil testing. 2. Fungal disease control. Baking soda's role. Baking soda can help control fungal diseases like powdery mildew, which can affect rice plants. Mixing the solution. Combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water and a drop of dish soap to help it stick. Application method. Use a spray bottle to mist the solution onto the leaves of the rice plants, focusing on areas with signs of fungal growth. Frequency. Spray every 7 to 10 days or as needed, especially during periods of high humidity or when fungal issues are present. 3. Rice water and baking soda. Rice water benefits. Rice water, the water left after rinsing or cooking rice, contains nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which can benefit plant growth. Combining with baking soda. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of rice water. Application. Use this solution to water the rice plants or mist it onto the leaves. Important considerations. Test first. It's always a good idea to test the baking soda solution on a small area of your plants before applying it to the entire crop to observe for any adverse effects. Avoid excess. Be careful not to over-apply baking soda, as excessive amounts can harm plants. Monitor. Regularly observe your rice plants for any signs of improvement or problems and adjust your approach accordingly.